In this lecture, we are going to work on edit categories and edit occasion page. If I click on this, user will be redirected to edit occasion and value will be 6. Whichever category I have clicked, that category ID will be assigned. So first, I will work on this view categories. First, I will work on this edit categories. I will copy this file name. Inside admin area, I'm just going to create. Close other files. I will also open edit products.php. From here, copy this complete content and inside this paste. Scroll up, remove this complete PHP. I do not need. First, we are going to create the structure and later on we will write the logic. Let us make the changes. I will write edit gift category. Then scroll down. Inside this class, I will be passing column large of 6 and column medium of 8. Then scroll down. For editing categories, we are not having any images. I'm just going to remove that in type. Here I will change to margin bottom of 4. Above this div container, I will create another div class. I will be passing alert. Inside this div container, create one strong tag. I will write font awesome FAS FA info circle. Text I will pass currently editing. Below this, I will create one span tag. Inside this, I will pass category title. Here, let me pass home decor. For this div container, I will also pass some internal stylings. Background color, var, variable name, I will be passing light BG. Semicolon, I will pass border left 4 pixel solid variable and inside this I will be passing primary color. Okay, inside the form I have created extra div container where I will show currently editing and whatever category title I am having that will be displayed. Then scroll down, we are having div container label. I will change to category title. Below this we have one input field. Name I will pass cat title. You can also pass category title. Then placeholder, enter category title. But here we are editing, so this placeholder will not be shown. You can also remove from edit product. Instead, we will have value. Remove this. Here we will fetch data from database and that value we are going to show inside this input field. So what I will do, from edit product also, I'm just going to remove that placeholder. I will remove this placeholders. Wherever I'm having placeholder, I'm just going to remove. Remove this. Then here also remove. And finally remove. Okay, only while inserting we are going to show the placeholder, but while editing whatever value we are having inside the database that will be shown. So here I will pass home decor. Below this input field I will be creating one small tag. Class I will be passing text muted. Text I will write update the category name. I do not need this div container, remove. This also I do not need. This remove. This also no need. Remove. Inside edit category, I am only having form inside which one input field and then below this we are having update buttons. Name value, I will pass date cat. Text update category. Then where admin has to redirect, if they cancel, they will go to view categories.php. So I will pass view categories. From here also, I'm just going to remove this complete PHP code. Save this. What I have done, simply I have copied from edit product and whatever changes I have to do inside the page, I have only edited that. Now come to project, refresh once. In this way, edit gift category will be shown. So whatever value we will fetch from the database, that will be shown here. Let me come to insert category. Okay, let me come to view categories. Now I will click on this gift hampers. In place of home decor, gift hampers will be shown here. Admin can edit the category and admin can click on update category. If they click on cancel, they will be redirected to view categories. As of now, static data will be shown. Later on, we are going to fetch dynamic data. Inside admin area, I will create the file editoccasion.php. Paste here. Let us make the changes. Edit occasion. I will pass birthday. Scroll down. Occasion title. Here calendar alt. It's not ER, AR. Update occasion name. Inside this input field, name value, I will write occasion title. Scroll down. Here I will pass update occasion. Same. Okay, that's it. We have to make that changes. Here also I will write update occasion. Save this. Come to project. Refresh once. Click on view occasions. I will click on this edit. In this way, I will be having the message. Currently editing. Whatever occasion we are having, that will be displayed here, and from database we will access the occasion and we are going to display inside the input field. We have created this static structure. Next we are going to write logic for both.